This demonstration is how to use our wax highlighting ink. I have a standard size glue gun heating up with our jewel glue gun sealing wax, and I will show you how the highlighting ink really helps your image pop out. This is a seal that I did before, the same color. This is our ladybug impression, and this is the ladybug stamp. It's a 3/4 inch classic aluminum, and let's see how the image appears differently if we use the ink. So I'm going to extrude from our glue gun about the diameter of our wax seal, roughly a little bit larger than a US dime, 3/4 inch diameter. And as that wax sets a little bit, it will help push itself into our seal. And I'm just dabbing this lightly, making sure I have complete coverage on the seal face, and then wiping it across so that I don't have kind of a dappling or stippling effect. So I know it's all covered. I'm not pushing down hard because I don't want wax to go in the recessed areas of the impression, just on the outside. And the bonus of using the highlighting ink is that it helps release the seal face from the hot wax, which can be very handy, especially with a tacky wax, such as our faux wax or the Waterston's Wick sealing wax. Those are both very strong sealing waxes that require a little bit of help to release from the seal face. So I'm pretty confident that my wax is set, so I'm just going to lift straight up. And now I have a high definition ladybug. She's a little bit easier to see. She pops out.